How to file taxes at H&R Block. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, choose your filing option. H&R offers multiple ways to file your taxes. First, in-person tax preparation. Schedule an appointment at a local H&R Block office. Work one-on-one with a tax professional who prepares and files your taxes for you. Second, online filing. Use H&R Block's website to file your taxes yourself with guided software. Third, drop-off service. Drop off your tax documents at the H&R Block office. Fourth, virtual tax preparation. Upload your documents online and connect with the tax professional remotely. Now gather your documents. Ensure you have all necessary forms and reports. These include identification, that is government-issued ID, and social security number or ITIN. Next, income documents. Next, deduction reports, tax credits, and last year's tax return. This is optional but helpful for reference. Now, make an appointment or create an online account. For in-person or drop-off services, schedule an appointment through H&R Block website or by calling your local office. For online filing, create an account on their website and select the appropriate filing tier. Now, work with a tax professional or use the software. Finally, review and submit. Once your return is prepared, review it carefully. H&R Block professionals will help you ensure everything is accurate. Submit your return electronically for faster processing or print and mail it if needed. You will then receive your refund. Choose how you want to receive your refund. You can choose direct deposit to your bank account, or check by mail, or refund advance loan. So, this is how you can file taxes at H&R Block. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.